In this video, we introduce 16 effective herbal teas and homemade smoothies for fat burning and weight loss. If you or your loved ones want to lose weight fast, you have come to the right place. No matter how overweight you are, start now and you will succeed. We'll go into detail about every herbal tea and homemade smoothie you need and explain the benefits, when to use, and ingredients. By including these drinks in your daily routine, you can reach your ideal weight as soon as possible. Well, let's go to the drinks. Hi guys, welcome to the health tips and tricks. Cucumber and coriander smoothie. Be sure to wash the cucumber well and use it with the skin. In addition to spinach and coriander leaves, use 5 centimeters of their stems. Try to use green apples. The cucumber and coriander smoothie is a low-calorie smoothie that contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, riboflavin, folate, magnesium, calcium, iron, zinc, and various vitamins. Consuming this smoothie prevents dehydration and reduces fat and bad cholesterol in the blood. The fiber in this smoothie reduces your appetite and helps in better digestion. Other benefits of cucumber and coriander smoothies include the skin and hair shine, strengthening the heart, cleansing, and detoxifying the body. Eat this smoothie before breakfast and fasting. Zucchini, cucumber, and sour apple smoothie. Zucchini is one of the low-carbohydrate vegetables. For this reason, it is very useful for reducing blood sugar levels. This vegetable can be used with or without the skin, but it is better to benefit from the properties of the skin. Use apples whole with skin and seeds. Drink this concoction in the morning and evening. If you have physical activity and daily exercise to lose weight, you can use this potion after exercise. This makes it easier to tolerate hunger and prevent overeating after exercising. As a result, it will create the desired weight loss after some time. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Chia seeds tea. The benefits of chia seeds are many. Chia seeds are rich in nutrients and are a great source of fiber. Omega-3, magnesium, calcium, vitamin B3, copper, protein are among the types of nutrients found in chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, so only 2 tablespoons of these nutritious seeds can meet 40% of the body's daily need for fiber. Consuming enough fiber is very important to improve the functioning of the intestines and digestive system and is effective in weight loss. It also makes people feel full. The best time to use it is before lunch or dinner. Do not eat too many chia seeds, as it may have the opposite effect, leading to obesity. Properties of chia seeds: control of blood pressure and sugar, improvement of nerve health, improve heart health, strengthen bones, strengthening and health of teeth. It contains antioxidants and cancer prevention, relieving insomnia and sleeplessness, increase energy and make you cheerful. Skin and hair health, increase the growth of nails, weight loss and control. Green tea. Green tea causes weight loss in two ways. It helps to burn calories by increasing the speed of metabolic processes in the body, and therefore when your body reduces your calories, it burns the fat in the body and thus reduces the weight. The caffeine and catechins in green tea which cause an increase in temperature, which in turn increases the rate of metabolism. Scientists have found that green tea increases the average temperature of young men by 10%, and its consumption can help people with obesity and diabetes to control their health. The second way that green tea contributes to weight loss is by suppressing appetite due to caffeine and catechins. Green tea with mint improves a person's ability to exercise. This is because mint relieves pain, inflammation, and muscle spasms, and also reduces digestive problems such as flatulence caused by gas, and improves fat digestion. Those who want to lose weight should drink a cup of green tea for weight loss every day before starting exercise to burn fat more effectively. Another great time to drink green tea for weight loss is in the morning after waking up. Take care of your health and get started today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos on health, wellness, and natural remedies. If you found this content valuable, hit the like button and feel free to share it with anyone who might benefit. Thank you for watching.